Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to enable and set up the accessibility button on your Samsung phone. First, open the Settings app now, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Advanced Settings. From here, select Accessibility button. Now, tap on Select Actions. Here, you can choose what happens when you tap the Accessibility button. For example, let's select Mute All Sounds and Live Transcribe. As you can see, a small accessibility icon appears on the navigation bar. When you tap it, you'll see the actions you've selected, like muting all sounds or turning on Live Transcribe. You can also change the button's location. To do that, go back and select where you want it to appear, either on the navigation bar or as a floating button over your apps. Let's keep it on the navigation bar for now, and that's it. You've successfully enabled and set up the accessibility button on your Samsung phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos.